Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture, then select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, on, adjust the picture, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, then change the background color, adjust the color, copy the shape, select the copy option, then select another copy, adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.